Hi guys, it's Tracy and today I'm back with another Boxycharm unboxing. This is the base box, and if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's like a mystery subscription box. And the base box, like this one, is $25 a month, and you get to customize one item each month. They let you go on the website, and they usually have a few, 2 to 3 different choices, and you can make a choice for one of those items that you would like in your box, and you'll get that in your box. So I can't remember what I chose this month, so it'll be interesting to see what's in it. I just peeked in it because I got it before the add-ons came on, and I wanted to make sure that I picked up the Violet Voss I Love You something, the khaki kind of green palette, if it wasn't in my box. So I just looked to see which palette was in my box, and that palette was not in my box. So I went ahead and ordered it on the add-ons. So other than that, I don't really even remember what's in the box, and I was just thankful that it came before Monday so that I could see whether that palette was in there, because I didn't really want to take a chance and buy it if I was going to get it. So, 25 bucks a month. It's a mystery. You can get skincare, beauty, makeup. Sometimes they'll send you like nail stuff, lip balms. You get like a, a good variety of items. And for $25, I usually always get my money's worth. And I do still have the yearly Boxycharm review that I do, where I tell you, if I break it down month by month, the cost, the items I kept, the items I used, the items that were complete duds, and then I break it down to you as far as like how much the box was actually worth to me versus how much the retail value was, and then versus what we pay for the box. So I will have that one coming up. Hello. Mr. popped in for a surprise appearance. So if you like Boxycharm, you like beauty videos, I'm gonna get ready to start my declutter series well, actually today. I have busted out my box of foundations and primers, and I haven't been using foundations and primers, so we'll see what makes it through that declutter. So that's what I'll be starting with. So if you like unboxings, declutters, that kind of stuff, makeup hauls, makeup deals, anything like that, make sure to subscribe. And if you like these videos, in particular like Boxycharm videos, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. And if you are a new viewer, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. And let's see, on my eyes today, I've just tried the Nabla brand for the first time. This is their side-by-side nude palette. I had seen this in so many people's yearly favorites videos, and I'd been wanting to try it, and I decided to try it. And I've used it a few times, and it's nice. It's a nude palette. It's kind of more on the cool tone side, so I've made some pretty looks with it. So I've only used it a few times, but so far so good. Today, and on my lips, I have a Physicians Formula in the shade Dose of Rose. And I got a new makeup mirror for my bathroom, and today's the first time that I used it to put makeup on, and it is so bright. It's like a ring light in the bathroom. I mean, my other mirror must have been like a nightlight makeup mirror, because this new mirror is so bright. Let me show you the box. I got it at Costco, and it's this Reflections Designer LED technology. It's made by Conair, and it has the one, it's the regular mirror, and then the 10 times magnification on the other side, and it says soft LED lighting, be ready for your close-up anytime, anywhere. And it is bright, so bright. So if my makeup looks crazy, please let me know in the comments down below, because today's the first day I used it, and I was thinking, man, this mirror is really bright. Oh, and it was $29.99, and it's really, really bright. So if my makeup looks crazy, it's not my fault. And yes, I do have my pajamas on. Victoria's Secret. These are ones my daughter and I bought. Well, my daughter bought them, but we get matching PJs every year. So these are this year's matching PJs, and I just took a shower and I wasn't really gonna film, and then I was like, you know what? Get up and do something with your life. So I was in my pajamas and I was like, you know what? I'm not going anywhere. These are cute. I didn't figure you guys would mind seeing them. So there you are. And we do have the two dogs, Bambi and Lily's hiding. So, as always, Mister's now at my feet. So, let's see what is in the box. And did you guys get anything out of the add-ons? They're having the add-ons for like 5 days, and this is the only time when they do the add-ons is when you can get free shipping with any amount of purchase. You don't have to have $25 or more to get the free shipping. So if you, like today they had a bunch of MAC lipsticks for $5. So you could buy one MAC lipstick for $5 and get free shipping. And then like go on their website, because what's today, Tuesday? Wednesday and Thursday they're having like buy one get one free, or buy, you know, get two for a better price than if you just buy one. And then on Friday they're having full boxes of things for $21, and they show you everything that's in the box. So in that case it wouldn't be a mystery, but you pay $21 and you can see what's actually in the box. And I did see one box that I might pick up. So anyway, if you picked up anything in the sale, let me know what you picked up. I picked up 4 eyeshadow palettes. I bought the Olive View Violet Vase palette, and I bought the Coral Violet Vase palette. And then I've been wanting to try Zoeva because I hear people say how great they are. And they had Zoeva palettes for $6. So I picked up 2 of those. And that was, I stopped. I didn't buy anything else. That was it. But my eyeshadow palette collection will be coming like soon, but it'll probably be in multiple, you know. Because if you watched my shopping addiction, you know that my tag that I created, you know that eyeshadows are my thing. So I will go ahead and throw it up in, which corner is it in? This corner maybe? I don't know. It's in one of these corners in the little eye, and I'll put the tag that I created, and you can see I talk about how many palettes I have, but I'm sure I have more than that by now, so might have to do an updated version on that. But let's see what we got here. This is Boxycharm, and it's called Fresh Start, and I have not received my premium box yet, so when that gets here I will undo it. So the first thing I got was the palette that I didn't want, which was the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. And it says that this is $30. And I have a few Ciate palettes, and they're not bad, you know, palettes by any means. They're just, you know, not like this wasn't, I have this kind of color story like a lot. They're really pretty. The embossing in the pan's really pretty. So, yeah, it looks like the shimmers will be really nice. So we will test it out and see what it's like. So that is $30. And then the next thing I got was the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. And this says it's $38, and it's a silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. So you could have either got this or an AHA, BHA toner, I believe. And if you didn't get it, you can, this is on the site during the add-ons for $12, and the other is also on the add-ons for $12. So if you got one and wanted the other, or you wanted one of each, you can get that on the add-ons. So I will be interested to try this. I do really like gel moisturizers. So, oh, and my variation looks like it does, I don't even know. It's got like a bunch of numbers and then it says BA. So I don't, that's not even really like, usually it'll just say like 20, 30, 40. So I don't, who knows how many variations there are. So next up, oh, this is the product that I chose. This is the Avant Skincare Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. And it says that it is infused with replenishing ingredients. Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing, and it says it's $90. So you can see the two different levels in there. I'm not sure if that means you're supposed to shake it up or not. The writing on the bottle is too small for me to read without my glasses, so I will have to let you know about that. And then next up, I got the Dr. Brandt's Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream, and this is $82 for half an ounce. This is like the third eye cream I've gotten like in recent months. Like I'm on eye cream overload at this point. I can only use like a little tiny bit, you know. And it says it's deeply hydrating, peptide powered cream, helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, for refreshed, younger looking eyes for all skin types. Okay, and then the last item I got is the Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. It says it's $33. I saw this on the website and I was like, oh, I wonder if I should get that. I didn't even, I didn't look only to see what palette I got. So I already had it in my box. I'm glad I didn't buy it. But $33, that's a lot of money for a lip balm. It says it has essential oils of sweet orange and coconut and gives this balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. I don't really have discoloration on my lips, but let's see what it smells like. Can't smell it yet. It's not very strong. It's very light. The consistency feels nice, like one of the ones that, like almost like that you would put on before you go to bed, or like maybe while you're doing your makeup and then you take it off before you put lipstick on. But it has a nice smell. The consistency feels really nice. So let's see how much our box was worth retail. $273 for 25 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that, because I mean this one pharmacy product is $38, and if you like the brand Pharmacy, I mean that's, you've already made your money back, plus you got 4 extra products and this Dr. Brandt eye cream. I mean, just for those 2 products alone, I mean, it seems like a great deal. So I will be testing the products out all month long, and I will come back next month and let you know what I thought about them and if I thought I got my money's worth. I'm pretty sure I did get my money's worth though this time, spoiler alert. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are a new watcher, I would love it if you would subscribe. Make sure to click the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.